Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the Credit Suisse crisis, and I hope that you will get exactly what is happening at the moment. Let's jump directly to the topic. Credit Suisse, the 167 years old bank and the second largest lender in Switzerland, is in a serious trouble. The share price has dropped by more than 30% in recent trading session and is now worth less than 2 Swiss franc. When compared to the US fallout of banks such as Silicon Valley Bank and others, what happened at Credit Suisse has a much greater global impact because it is a globally systematically important bank and much more globally interconnected as well. If you haven't watched our video on the Silicon Valley Bank collapse, do check it out. I have included a link in the description. Rising interest rate to slow down inflation has put some banks at risk. But the problem with Credit Suisse wasn't a rising interest rate. It all started when the Saudi National Bank said it wasn't willing to put more money after buying nearly 10% stake for 1.5 billion last year. It is followed by the question of US regulator regarding revision of cash flow statement for 2019 and 2020, which delayed the publication of annual report last week. These two events caused the stock price to fall by 30% in the last few trading sessions. Credit Suisse has been in financial trouble for many years. Over the few years, the company has been in trouble by a series of misstep and compliance failure which have costed it billions of dollars. This raises the concern about the bank's credibility. Let me explain the timeline of those events to you. In 2014, Credit Suisse illegally allowed some US clients to evade taxes, and the bank agreed to pay a total of 2.6 billion US dollar as a part of the settlement. And then it was involved in the accounting scandal at Luckin Coffee that harmed the bank's reputation. In 2020, Credit Suisse CEO resigned following two high-profile spying scandals involving top bank officials. And then Credit Suisse suffered a 5.5 billion US dollar loss as a result of the collapse of US hedge fund. The bank permitted the hedge fund to take catastrophic risk, resulting in the hedge fund to collapse. In 2022, customers withdrew billions of dollars from the bank as a result of social media speculation that it was about to collapse. That made profitability a nearly impossible for the bank. Now, the US regulator question about revising the cash flow statement for 2019 and 2020, Saudi Arabia National Bank refusal to invest more money, and the US bank followed pushed the bank to the point of bankruptcy. To summarize, it is more of credibility issue that may cause the investor or depositor to withdraw the money sooner, leaving the bank unable to do business. To avoid financial contagion, the official must intervene. On March 16th, the Swiss National Bank agreed to provide a financial lifeline of 54 billion Swiss franc to the Credit Suisse Group in order to meet the capital and liquidity requirements imposed on systematically important banks. According to the recent update, UBS, Swiss banking giant, is in talk to acquire all or part of the Credit Suisse, and the Swiss National Bank and the regulator organizing the talk over the weekend in an attempt to boost confidence in the country's banking sector. Thank you for staying with me until the end. If you enjoy the content, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to receive daily updates from us. If you think this content will be useful to any of your friends or family, please share it. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.